Welcome to the Trinity Stitch Square, Part 12 of the Odyssey of Textures Blanket. For this blanket, you will need a basic size 4 yarn, a yarn needle, a 6mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. To start, we will chain 28. For row 1, we will single crochet into the second chain from hook. After that single crochet, we will need to do a single crochet 3 together cluster. To do this, we will insert our hook into the stitch we just worked, pull up a loop, insert into the next chain, pull up another loop, and insert your hook into the chain after that. You should have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. That is a single crochet 3 together. Now chain 1 and repeat your cluster again. So insert into the stitch you just worked, pull up a loop, insert into the next chain, and the next chain, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 4, then chain 1, and again into the stitch you just worked, then the next, and the next, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 4, chain 1. Repeat this until you have 2 chains left. When you have 2 chains left, you need to make 1 more single crochet 3 together. Into your just work stitch, then the next one, and finally your last chain. Pull up a loop. Yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, but do not chain 1. Instead, go back to the stitch you just worked and place a single crochet. So on the last stitch of the row, you do not chain 1, but you place a single crochet. Row 1 is finished. For row 2, we will chain 1 and turn. Then place a single crochet into the same spot. And just like row 1, we will start our single crochet 3 together clusters. So insert into the stitch you just worked, then the next, and the next. The third spot is a little tight. Then you yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. Chain 1 and repeat. Remember to always start your single crochet 3 together cluster in the stitch you just completed. Continue making your single crochet 3 together, chain 1 all the way down the row until you have 2 stitches left. When you have 2 stitches left, you need to make 1 more single crochet 3 together. Remember, since this is the last one of the row, do not chain 1. Instead, place a single crochet into the same stitch. For this square, you repeat row 2 until the square measures approximately 7 inches. Once the square reaches 7 inches, or as close as you can make it, it is time for the border. For the border, we will chain 1 and turn. Then, 3 single crochets into the corner. After the corner, place 25 evenly spaced single crochets along the side. Repeat this around the square. Each corner receives 3 single crochets, and each side receives 25 single crochets. To join at the beginning, we need to slip stitch into the beginning chain 1. After the join, we will pull up a large loop and fasten off. I like to mark the front of my square with a slip of paper and a pen.